Hey everybody, it's your girl. What's up? Listen, stay tuned. I'm getting ready to show you the outfit of the day, my outfit of the day. And you know I'm styling it with an Angelique Collections handbag, baby. Yes. And don't forget to go over and subscribe to Angelique Collections so you will be the first to know about the drop. Y'all want to miss the drop? I'm about to launch soon. I'm about to launch. I'm excited. I want you to be excited with me. And thank you all for all of the nice comments and everything, especially, you on YouTube and everything and Instagram. And I'm over on Twitter, y'all. I'll put all those links in the description below. But go and check it out. Go on and sign up. Okay, but stay tuned because see, this is the outfit of the day. And I styled it with the Angelique Collections handbag. It's made from a leopard, it's leopard. Okay. It came from Brazil, and yeah, and I made a bag. You know it is. So this is my look for today. Don't ask me where I got this coat. It's so old, and the hat is old, but the glasses are Fendi, and I got them when I was in London. Of course, this is an Angelique Collections. My boots. I got them in New York. They are, what do you call those? And they are so old, but I need those. And my pants, actually, these cute pants that I've been wanting for years. Oh my God. I just got these not too long ago, girl, at the thrift store. Can you believe it? I'm not a thrifty, but baby, it's talking. The shirt, it's a turtleneck sweater. It's one of those warm sweaters. I actually got this when I was in London as well. It's some store that sell all these clothes and they're supposed to keep you warm. And it's a turtleneck and I have it in 2 different colors. I should have bought more. But yeah, but I can find the store online. And if I get a chance, I'll link it. But yeah, this is my look for today. Tell me what you think. I have this coat and a short coat too. I've had this coat for years. Look at that. I had it when I was small too. Cause look, we gotta lose some weight. Look, we can't just snap over here. So I had this when I was little, but I'm still little, baby. I'm still little. So this is my look for the day, and I'm still working on my walk-in closet. Don't judge me. Maybe somebody will sponsor it. Ain't nothing wrong with asking. Asking, you shall receive. All right, y'all. So this is my look for the day. I gotta go. Got to go.